In this video, we will be talking about how to make powerful homemade Viagra and the science behind it and how it can help you cure your erectile dysfunction. So, increasing blood flow should alleviate the majority of those issues for those who suffer from erectile dysfunction. This is exactly what Viagra does. That little blue pill works by increasing blood flow. Fortunately, there are also natural ways to do this. So before we talk about this recipe, I wanted to touch briefly on the science on why this drink actually works. Scientists know that when watermelon is consumed, citrulline is converted into arginine through certain enzymes. Arginine is an amino acid that works wonders on the heart and circulation systems and maintains a good immune system, Paul says. Citrulline is the precursor to arginine. It is found in higher concentrations in the rind of watermelons than the flesh. 60% of all watermelon citrulline is found in the rind, so adding a little bit more of the watermelon's rind will increase the potency of the drink. The citrulline-arginine relationships helps heart health, immune systems, and may prove to be very helpful with those who suffer from obesity and type 2 diabetes, says Dr. Paul. Arginine boosts nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels, which is the same effect that Viagra has, to treat erectile dysfunction, and may even prevent it. And it is a great way to relax the blood vessels without any drug side effects. We are adding lime and lemon juice to this drink because one study of healthy young males found that proper vitamin C consumption increased their intercourse frequency. Another 2010 study in Virility and Sterility says vitamin C boosts nitric oxide production, which improves vasodilation and erections in men. This is exactly what Viagra does. It increases blood flow, and this drink will do the same thing. So let's take a look at this very simple recipe. The ingredients are 2 pounds of watermelon with rind included, 1 full lime and 1 full lemon. All you want to do is cut the watermelon into small chunks and be sure to add the rind. It's going to be a little bit bitter, but again, rind contains 60% of the citrulline in watermelon, and that's what you need to reverse your erectile dysfunction. Throw that into the blender and then squeeze your lemons and limes into the blender as well. Blend it together and you have yourself some homemade Viagra. If you're looking for a surefire way to get rid of your erectile dysfunction, I recommend checking out the ED Reverser system. It has helped thousands of men overcome their erectile dysfunction naturally. I have also helped a number of men cure their erectile dysfunction with this product, and I promise it can help you too. Please check out the link in the description. I'm giving it away for a limited time only at a discounted price, so be sure to check it out and make the decision for yourself if it is the right option for you. Also, I encourage anyone else that found anything else that worked for them to feel free to let others know in the comment section of this video below.